This one catches even top students off guard. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the girl who won smiled. Fantastic start. Keep your streak alive. This looks simple, but don't fall for the trap. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the boy whose backpack is red laughed. Great job! The next one gets trickier. Only students with sharp grammar skills spot this instantly. Which sentence is correct? It's the teacher who helped us smiled. Nice work. Stay focused. A tiny grammar mistake changes everything here. Which sentence is correct? The answer is, the book that is on the desk is new. Excellent! Don't lose your momentum. Many students answer too fast and miss this one. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the firefighter who rescued the cat smiled. Well done! Things are heating up. This challenge separates careful readers from fast guessers. Which sentence is correct? It's the player whose bicycle is blue waved. You're doing great! Can you stay perfect? Pause and think before you choose. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the doctor who treated me smiled. Nice answer! The next one is even tougher. Your brain may try to trick you here. Which sentence is correct? It's the bike that has flat tires is mine. Excellent choice. Keep pushing. This grammar challenge fools more students than you think. Which sentence is correct? The answer is, the woman who teaches us is kind. Awesome! You're on a roll! Take a close look before you decide. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the student whose notebook is missing cried. Great work! Don't blink! This one rewards careful thinking. Which sentence is correct? It's the pilot who landed safely waved. Nicely done! You're getting stronger. Looks easy, but one word makes all the difference. Which sentence is correct? The answer is, the tree that lost its leaves is tall. Excellent! The challenge keeps growing. Let's see if your grammar skills hold up. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the singer who performed smiled. Great job! The best is yet to come. Even confident students miss this one. Which sentence is correct? It's the artist whose painting won smiled. Fantastic! Stay locked in. Don't let this sentence fool you. Which sentence is correct? The answer is, the scientist who discovered fossils smiled. Well played. You're almost there. Read every word carefully before choosing. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the puppy that loves to play is friendly. Nice work! Keep the streak going. Your attention to detail is about to be tested. Which sentence is correct? It's the coach who trained our team smiled. Excellent answer! The hardest ones are here. This question has a sneaky twist. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the musician whose guitar broke laughed. Great thinking! One more challenge awaits. Can you avoid the most common grammar mistake? Which sentence is correct? It's the author who writes stories visits schools. Outstanding! Almost at the finish line. This is the final grammar challenge. Which sentence is correct? The correct answer is, the movie that made us laugh ended. Awesome job making it to the end! How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments and let us know which grade or subject you want to tackle next. If you're ready for another challenge, tap one of the videos on your screen now and keep your brain growing. We'll see you in the next quiz!